The Metaphysics of Sex. Why Schopenhauer's theory predicted modern biology, a philosopher without a laboratory, without a microscope, without knowledge of DNA. In 1844, wrote something about sexual attraction, which modern biology would spend the next 150 years or so accidentally proving. Not approximately, structurally. He was not asking, why do people fall in love? He was not asking, why do people fall in love? He wanted something more difficult. Why this person? Why does the immense attraction seem to settle on the wrong person? Usually, in every measurable respect. The wrong person and the right person, usually in every measurable respect the right person, not attract. His reply, it's not your. The will working through you is what you sense as romantic longing, the species selecting, your body testing for genetic compatibility and programming it as a desire. You feel chosen. You feel this is about your soul, your individual reaction to another person. Your soul is not important to the will. You are the driver. The attraction is the instrument. That's where he foretold the life science. No, attraction is best found between complementary individuals, not between two individuals who mirror one another, according to Schopenhauer. Compensatory difference. The attraction of the combo would result in more dynamic youngsters than either by itself. Evolutionary biology, 40 years later, explained exactly this. Known attraction to immune systems different from one's own, known as scent detection. What seems to be personal taste that is greatly influenced by genetic matching. He got there through metaphysics. They arrived at this place via immunology. Same structure. Then the part you don't want to hear. When the will has accomplished its purpose, the feeling goes away. Most often, eternal passion lasts for a measurably finite length of time. The rainmaker turns into a mere mortal with a problem that was somehow hidden. Disillusionment in love is not an absence of love, it is a shift in perspective. Disillusionment is not a failure of love, it is a change in love. It is the will fulfilling its mission and withdrawing the subsidy. You got paid in feeling to do what the species needed. Once it was completed, the salary was revoked. However, biology cannot do all that Schopenhauer can do. At the beginning of true romantic love, some actual thing does occur. You're not totally consumed with your desire any longer. The boundaries of self and other become blurred. You only briefly care about the life of another person as much as your own. This is used to the author's advantage in the will. Utilizes it for its own uses, however, the thinning was very real. Then sometimes, rarely, that look becomes something the will couldn't have meant. It's a relationship that transcends biology. Two who opted to remain after the subsidy pulled the plug. The species borrowing your nervous system, everything that preceded that choice. That might have been the attraction, the sense of destiny. That was the species. Everything after, without the will's chemical endorsement, the choice was made clearly, that was you. Small, quiet, genuinely yours. In a life and life, mostly driven by forces that you didn't select, and that you can't control, not nothing.